Hello again. It is jdBasic. Welcome back to Train jdBasic, Lesson 2. Last time we printed text and stored values in variables. Today we make our programs decide things and repeat themselves. We will cover if statements and for loops. Let us start with the simplest decision. Is something true? That is the inline form. The whole if on a single line. Good for one quick check. For anything longer we need the editor. The prompt only accepts one statement at a time. So I type the word edit and press enter to open the full screen editor. Now Ctrl-Q to leave the editor, and run to execute the program. Every block form if ends with ENDIF. No exceptions. To handle the otherwise case, add an else branch. Since the hour is 22, the else branch ran. One last variant. ELSEIF chains multiple conditions. jdBasic walks the branches top to bottom and runs the first one that matches. Now for loops. The classic shape, do something a known number of times. The variable I counts from the start value to the end value, inclusive. 5 iterations, 5 greetings. You can step by something other than one. Even backwards. Counting down by 2. Step also accepts fractional values for double precision loops. Now let us combine if and for. Here is FizzBuzz, the classic interview warm-up. There it is. Every multiple of 3 prints Fizz, every multiple of 5 prints Buzz, and multiples of both print FizzBuzz. That is everything for Lesson 2. To recap, Inline IF, for one quick check at the prompt. Edit, then run, for anything bigger. If, ELSEIF, and else to decide. For and next to repeat. In Lesson 3 we introduce arrays, and a bit of the magic that makes jdBasic special. Vector operations that work on whole arrays at once, with no for loop in sight. Until then, keep coding. Bye.